Okay, welcome back folks. Today we are doing experiment number 2 of the Antivirus Laboratory Kit. The second experiment is one of surface tension. We've done this before in another kit, but let's go through the motions. Adding water. We have oregano leaves. Dishwashing liquid. Okay, so this is a little bit different, this one. This is basically simulating microbes. Say you had a dirty pond of water. Now you're contaminated with bacteria. And as you can see. Next, place your finger in the dishwashing liquid and let's see what happens. Choose a populated space. Look. Goodbye. So there you go. Still got bacteria. Further placement. No change, the effect's already taken place. Surface tension has been broken, and that is it. Now, a quick explanation of what's going on. Basically, the water molecules form bonds between each other. If you have a water molecule up top, side and bottom, the bonds are all even. So in this case, the very top layer is just air. There is no more water molecules to bond to, so the side bonds become stronger, causing surface tension. That's why you can see an insect walk across the water, whereas if you did this while he's walking across, he would fall to the bottom. Maybe we'll try that one day. Okay, I hope that explains something. Thanks for watching.